Hi, welcome to Nature Break. So on a recent trip to the Corcovado region of Costa Rica, I had a pretty funny encounter with a white-faced capuchin monkey. One day I made the mistake of leaving my lunch unattended, and the monkey stole my orange, and you'll never guess what he did with it. I'll give you a hint, he didn't eat it. I was only able to find one research paper about this, and it said that the citrus in oranges and some other fruits kills mites and other parasites, and that's probably why the monkeys do this. But I'd love to know more, like, is it a learned behavior or is it common? So if you have any ideas, let me know at naturebreak.org. Thanks.